I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Look, I've been trying.
Or did it cut off? Huh? Did it cut off?
Where are we at, brother?
What's wrong? Check the air filter. One more time? Check the plug and we'll change the plug and check the air filter.
We'll be back.
I will.
It may have been the coil. It sounds better now. It may have just been your spark plug wire was loose.
That way takes you to 4. Do you want to start at the top and go down?
I want to finish my Banshee project so bad. That looks so good. Oh. Man. Anyways, plan is we're probably gonna cut 4 in half. Take service road 20. I think that's what he, because I told him that, all right, so 11 takes you to 4 and to the start of 4, and then 4 takes you all the way up to the big hill where everyone wrecks and all that fun stuff, and then you have to take the back half of 4 all the way back down to 6, and then 6 back down to here, over there where the bridge is. So I think if my suspicions are correct, that we are going to be taking service road 20 to basically cut it in half and then go check out the creek. There's a creek right there at the base that we've always wanted to look at, and then also a couple of peel-off trails. I believe it's 25. I think it connects to 25 there, and also maybe to 23. We'll see when we get there, but I think that's the idea. So we'll see what happens. I'm excited. I'm now very excited, especially since the Raptor is not messed up anymore. So we'll see you guys whenever we have a set game plan, or we're at the location of our ride. We'll see you guys just a minute. Oh yeah. Yeah, Will's is running good. So we're look at that, he's flying. Thought I'd record for a little bit. Let's get on to the trail. Let's get focused up.
All good?
Yeah, I didn't turn mine on, dude.
That's fine.
I did for a little bit.
I think, is mine still rolling?
Yeah, yours is rolling.
Okay, so from here, we can either go down these 2 loops and take the starter 4 and go all the way up to the creek, past service road 20 into the down bits to where we go to the creek, or we can take service road 18 to 20 and then 20 over to 4 and basically cut it in half.
I vote we take the start of 4.
Start of
I
4?
always enjoy that. Start of 4 is a lot easier to deal with in the end.
I agree. And then we can figure out the trails we want to hit after that.
Yeah, that's fine.
As soon as we get on to 4.
All right, lead the way.
Who, me?
Yep.
You know where you're going.
I do, I just don't like leading on 4.
I'll tail end y'all. Just
Okay. Well, I mean, only hurt myself.
weekend, they're just trail riding and not like racing, then I definitely recommend the 700. Because they are good at anything you throw at them. About where we want to go and such. Oh, that was a ball. Trying to keep my front wheels out of the mud as much as I can. This thing just comes up whenever you want it to.
I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions all them times, I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.